There is a problem in the mechanism. It plays slowly and the songs are played at a lower speed. So this is the mechanism. This is flywheel. The flywheel is driven by the motor directly, and there is a small spindle. Magnetic tape runs under the head. The flex cuts the coil of the head and it generates the alternating current, which is in the form of frequency of that particular song. Now it is corrected. It is corrected speed. There is a pinch roller which is getting a little bit old and it needs to be replaced. So now this has been rectified in the normal speed and it's coming well. Yeah. So folks, I'm going to explain the parts of the mechanism. So the main is the head. So the cassettes are having read only. That means this groove will be filled, then it is read write. If this groove is not filled, then it is read only. So how to make it write? When you record it, the reverse process happens. The sound wave is converted into the electrical impulses. So that's the settings of the head. Hi folks, welcome to Automotive Technica. This is the Philips tape recorder. This is 2-in-1, and I opened the mechanism because there is a problem in the mechanism. It plays slowly and the songs are played at a lower speed, and this is how it sounds. If I play them, you can watch it. So that's the slow thing, and there is a hole here inside, and when you open this flap, the sticker, you can access it with a smallest screwdriver, a flat one, and you have to insert it and little bit clockwise you have to turn it so that the speed increases of the motor. In turn, the gears and the ratio of the flywheel will increase. In probably there is a directly proportionality there when the motor starts with a high speed, and these are all linked with the linear gears. So that is how the speed can be changed in a tape recorder. So now it is slow. I'll make it to the optimal, which is the normal speed, and then pack it up. So this is the mechanism. This is flywheel. The flywheel is driven by the motor directly, and there is a small spindle which is touches the pinch roller. The pinch roller is on the other side, where this is the pinch roller. Yeah, so it touches the spindle and it pulls the tape. So the other head side, which is present here, let me show you. Yeah, so this is the head, and there's a magnetic tape runs under the head. The flex cuts the coil of the head and it generates the alternating current, which is in the form of frequency of that particular song. That is amplified by the preamplifier given to the main amplifier, and then the speakers are driven. So that's the way the tape recorder VHS tape works. And what I'm doing here is trying to normalize the speed. This is the cassette collector. The two sides, one is the winder, this is the reverse winder, and this is the pinch roller. The pinch roller has got a spindle wheel, which is the important, which is directly driven from the flywheel. So that is what that drives the tape, the VHS tape. It's a magnetic tape where the songs are recorded. Now it is corrected. It's corrected speed. But there is a pinch roller which is getting a little bit old and it needs to be replaced. So now this has been rectified in the normal speed and it's coming well. Yeah. So folks, I'm going to explain the parts of the mechanism. So the main is the head. This is the head. This is the erasing head, which is nothing but a magnetic content here. This has got a coil. The left and right channel both has got two coils, and under the neat there is a core. So core is connected, and on which the coils are mounted inside. It is too small, not visible indirectly. You can open it and see. So there are 4 terminals for the 2 coils, and left and right channel, so that will go to the preamplifier. Now this is the pinch roller, the black color. The whole assembly is the pinch roller, this L shape, horse shape. this is the spindle, and this is the forward wheel counter, this is the real wheel counter. Now if I is now on the battery, so this is the left rewind and this is the forward, and when I do the play, the pinch roller comes down and the tape runs through between the pinch roller and the spindle and it gets wounded here. Okay, so this is the reverse, and you can see the mechanism working. Now this comes down only when this gets pressed. So the cassettes are having read only, that means this groove will be filled, then it is read write. If this groove is not filled, then it is read only. So how to make it right? You have to fill some cotton here into the groove, and this gets pressed. Otherwise, if you press the record button, it will not go down. Unless you press this button, then it will compress and this head comes down. This is nothing but demagnetizer. So it erases the tape before winding into the next section, and when you record it, the reverse process happens. The sound wave is converted into the electrical impulses, the electrical form, and it gets magnetized as per the electrical waves, and the tape, VHS tape, gets magnetized. So folks, the screw, the Phillips screw, right side of the head is used for tuning the head, and when you get the high frequency properly, you have to stop. So either you have to tighten it or you have to loosen it, and they have put an ink mark that is red color, so that once it has been done, it has been fixed. So that's the settings of the head, and that constitutes the tuning of the tape recorder. So that's all folks. This is a quick gyan and quick information on the VHS tape recorders, which are almost extinct, and I have revived this whatever the information and whatever the parts I had, and I have changed the belts. Yeah, that's a quick update on the pinch roller, the mechanism of the tape, the cassette, and how it converts a magnetic energy into electrical energy and then into the sound energy. That's all folks. If you like my videos, subscribe to my channel Automotors Technica, and if you have any questions, please do write the comments, and I will be happy to answer your queries. Stay tuned, stay blessed.